I'm Sean. We're going to do a little bit of a meditative breathing today from the Qigong tradition. So we're in a nice kind of field here in summer. It's kind of hot, so we're going to do some things to kind of calm things down, cool things down within our body, okay? First thing, we're just going to do a little bit of belly breathing, or our diaphragm breathing. Okay, so I put one hand kind of here, and one hand I got my mic on, so I'm just gonna put it around here. You can put your hand higher if you needed to. I'm just trying not to hit my mic here, so I'm just gonna breathe in, exhale. So we're gonna breathe in and breathe out. So soft inhale. Slow exhale. And we're trying to get our breath a little deeper and kind of into our abdominal area here. So breathing in, out, out. If you need to change up your breath, if you need to breathe at your own pace, by all means, you can do that. So we're trying to, again, get out of our heads, get into our bellies, as my teacher used to say. Soft inhale, slow exhale. Another way you can do this also is if you're just not feeling that you can move this area, you can actually bring your hands more to the side here and feel it expand here, and then exhale. That's another way to do it. You can breathe through your nose or your mouth, or a combination. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Kind of purse your lips a little bit there as you exhale. It's thought to be regulating or harmonizing. Whereas you just breathe through your nose, those thought to be more strengthening. Or just through your mouth, those thought to be more calming or sedating. Okay. I'm going to move my hands back a little bit here. Okay. So my teacher, she taught a mantra you could do, and you could use any mantra or saying you wanted to as you're breathing, because sometimes it's good to have something to focus on. Okay, and her mantra was this. It goes like this. You breathe in, drip, drip, drop. Water wears down the hardest rock. Drip, drip, drop. Water wears down the hardest rock. Again, drip, drip, drop. Water wears down the hardest rock. You could use any saying you wanted to with that, and focus on your saying. Okay. Now we're going to do something called the healing vowels or healing tones. Okay. This is from the Healing Tao tradition. I learned it from Joy Black. Okay. And Healing Tao USA, which is based in North Carolina currently. Okay. So what you do is it's kind of a centering meditation. Each sound corresponds to a different direction. Okay, so you basically go front, side, back, other side in one breath. Then you take another breath and you do a sound for above you, a sound below you, then a sound to center you. Okay. So the first sound is ah. Okay, so it goes. E. Use the second sound. Behind you. E. A into the side. Okay. You let that out. Take another breath. Then do above you. Then below is O. O. Then center is U. U. Okay. So let's put that all together. So breathe in. Take another breath. Let it out. Take another breath. Let's try it again. Let it out. Breathe in. You can also do it softly if you're in a space where people are around. You want to do it more quietly, or more subvocal. It'd be like this. Let it out. Joy, through her teacher, Michael Wynn would say that the softer was more good for the mind, and the louder was more good for the body. Okay. Okay, we'll do one more thing here. This is a fire element visualization. Summer is the time of the fire element associated with the heart and the pericardium area in Chinese medicine, okay, or traditions. Okay, so, but it's, a really bright sun at this time here. So we want to try to calm things down a little bit. In the Chinese agricultural calendar, this was a time of great activity to get things done, but you didn't want to overexhaust yourself, okay? So a good way to think about this is basically, let's think about a sunrise. When the sun is, yes, it's very strong, but it's just coming up. But it's coming up, say, out of water, like out of an ocean or out of a lake, and that's what we're going to do here. So you can bring your hands kind of to your heart if you can, okay, or your heart space or around there, okay, and just kind of get your breathing going, get your abdominal breathing in, out, in, out. Just kind of, think about your heart space for a minute there. Get kind of grounded and centered. Just kind of try to calm things down. And then, or another thing you could do, actually, another option is you can actually take your thumb to your pinky. And, both ones here, like a little mudra here. And this is kind of associated with the channels with the fire element, like the small intestine, the heart channel here. So we can, another way to do that, get our little mudra going. So we breathe in. Now go into your mind's eye. You can close your eyes if you want. You can kind of just picture yourself kind of sitting on a beach, okay? Beach, maybe just before the sunrise. You can just start to see, the colors changing, the stars fading. Hear the lap of the waves of the ocean or the lake or the river, wherever you are. Whatever resonates for you. And then as those colors start to break through, you start to see the sun kind of cresting over the horizon. Start a little pink, a little orange coming through. Keep your breathing as you do this. Soft inhale, slow exhale. And listen to the sounds of nature as the world starts to wake up around you. Are there seagulls out there? Are there birds? river birds, like, are they out there? There are other people walking along the coast, the beach, the shore. People casting their lines, they're fishing. Those waking up. And see how the color is shifting on the waves, how the water, the fire, the sun are interacting with each other. The kind of shimmering that's starting to come off as those sunbeams hit those waves, those waters. And kind of just give all that nervous energy, anxiety, the pent-up stress, just give it to the ground. Let it take it away in those receding waves as you bring the light into you. So you breathe in the light, kind of coming into you, kind of into your heart here. Or you can have it coming in, if you want to come down through your head, then into your heart, you can do that. And just let the tension flow down through your body into the ground. And then into those receding waves, back into the ocean or body of water. Again, in the sunlight, without the tension. You can do this as long as you want, okay? Do a couple more breaths. I'll bring my hands back to my heart. You actually hold your hands over too. You don't have to be right on your body. Couple cleansing breaths in through my nose, out through my mouth. 1, 2, 3. Start to come back. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Maybe give yourself a little hug, as they do in some Zen traditions to wake themselves up after their meditations. Okay. If you need to decide, get up, stand, walk around. Okay, and just enjoy the rest of your day or night. Okay. All right. Thank you, and please remember to like and subscribe.